Hi fam, today I'm making a simple homemade snack using pumpkin seeds and peanuts. So first I'm going to clean them properly so everything is fresh and ready, and then I'm going to sieve them so that I can strain the excess water using the sieve. Then I'm going to put them straight into the pan and slowly stir them so that they can roast evenly and so that they cannot burn. At this point, I'm going to add the peanuts just to make them even more crunchy, and then I'll keep stirring them as they slowly turn golden and also smell amazing. Now I'm just letting them get perfectly crunchy, and then I also listen to the sound that they are making when they get crunchy. And it's finally ready, a healthy homemade snack I can enjoy anytime. Make sure you try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.